Hi, everybody! Jacob here from Children's Museum Houston. Welcome back to Tot Tunes, sponsored by the McGovern Foundation. Today, we're going to sing a song that you might know that is all about different farm animals. So, if you know how to sing along, please join us in singing this song. Here we go. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a cow, E-I-E-I-O. With a moo-moo here and a moo-moo there, here a moo, there a moo, everywhere a moo-moo. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.